Recently, I was walking around outside our garage when I spotted a new butterfly. It was one I hadn't seen before in the 6 years we've lived here, nor in the many years before that I've lived in other parts of Fullerton. But I had seen it before, all the way back in my childhood in the San Francisco Bay Area. We lived in the East Bay, and it was one of many butterflies we saw periodically in our neighborhood. It's a Red Admiral butterfly, and now let's review some basic facts about it. Yes, that's right. In the wild, stinging nettle is an important host plant for the Red Admiral. But if you've wandered long enough out of doors, you'll eventually run into stinging nettle, and it usually feels like someone put a cigarette butt out on your skin. Is there an alternative to planting noxious stinging nettle in your yard? It's a complicated question because there are so many plants in the nettle family, but the simple answer is try baby's tears. Baby's tears is a native to the Mediterranean, but it has been imported into North America as a ground cover. Gardeners interested in Red Admiral butterflies could consider adding this plant to their garden. What about food for the adult butterflies? They need nectar, tree sap, and rotting materials such as bird dung. But realistically, to have any real success, I'll probably need a host plant, either stinging nettle or another nettle, or baby's tears. While I consider that conundrum, please let me know in the comments if you've had any success attracting this butterfly. Okay, reporting live from Fullerton, California, this is Rob Briggs wishing you a pleasant springtime in your garden and happy butterfly gardening.